It's Thursday 26 December, and the market activity is seeing a mixed bag as benchmarks remain flat. Adani Group stocks are driving the rally, while broader market indices show cautious movement. Stay tuned for updates on today's market trends. The Nifty rose by 22 points, closing at 23,750, while the Sensex saw a marginal dip of 0.39 points, settling at 78,472. There was a broad market decline, with 2,219 stocks falling compared to 1,599 advancing. The auto, energy, pharma, and realty sectors saw buying interest, while metal, FMCG, and media stocks were under selling pressure. Adani Ports, Shriram Finance, M&M, Maruti Suzuki, and SBI Life Insurance led the gains, offering support to the indices. Meanwhile, Titan Company, Asian Paints, Nestle, JSW Steel, and Grasim Industries were the top losers, weighing on the market's performance. The rupee closed at a record low for the third straight session on Thursday at 85.2625 per dollar, after hitting 85.2825 intraday. Weighed down by dollar strength and import demand, the rupee has fallen from 84 to 85 in just 2 months, amid concerns over economic slowdown, foreign outflows, and US trade policies. RBI interventions have curbed steeper declines. Sri Lotus Developers and Realty has filed its DRHP with SEBI to raise 792 crore rupees via an IPO. The company has already raised 400 crore rupees through a private placement of 26.61 million shares. Key investors include Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan Family Trust, Hrithik Roshan, and Ashish Kacholia. Oil prices saw a slight uptick on Thursday, driven by optimism surrounding potential fiscal stimulus in China, the world's largest oil importer, and a report indicating a drop in US crude inventories. Brent crude futures rose by 39 cents, or 0.5%, settling at $73.55 per barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude increased by 0.6%, reaching $70.53. The broader markets displayed mixed trends today. The Nifty Midcap 100 edged up 0.12%, signaling slight optimism, while the Small Cap 100 dipped marginally by 0.02%, reflecting selective investor activity. This divergence highlights cautious sentiment in smaller stocks amid a steady mid-cap performance. Gold is trading at $2,625, up 0.45%. Gold remains steady amid thin holiday trading, as markets await further signals on US economic policies and Fed's 2025 rate outlook. Traders are watching US jobless claims and Treasury yields for clues, with a higher-than-expected claims figure potentially boosting gold. Adani Group stocks rallied on Thursday, with shares rising up to 5%. Adani Ports surged more than 5%, while Adani Green Energy rose 3.2%. Other group stocks also saw gains, including Adani Power and Adani Total Gas. The rally came amid flat broader market performance. Additionally, Adani Defence acquired a stake in Airworks, expanding its presence in the defence sector. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, SMFG, announced a significant boost for its Indian operations with a 3,000 crore rupees capital infusion into SMFG India Credit via a rights issue. The move aims to support business expansion and includes 300 crore rupees allocated to its subsidiary, SMFG Grishakti. The Unimec Aerospace IPO was subscribed 174.75 times on its final day, driven by strong demand from institutional and retail investors. The retail portion was subscribed 55.90 times, NIIs at 263.16 times, and QIBs at 317.63 times. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.